Hi there, and welcome to ShoBeaRo. Thanks for joining us. It's time for another drawing tutorial. Thank you everyone for sending me your drawings from past tutorials. They're awesome. It's great seeing your creativity and how much fun you're having. Now let's go over what you're going to need. Pencil, marker, an eraser, and paper. Are you ready? Grab your pencil. Let's draw. First, draw a large oval. Then draw 3 lines at the top of the oval. Next, draw 2 curved lines from the top to the bottom. These are the pineapple leaves. Follow this step 2 more times. Now draw diagonal lines covering the whole oval. Now do the same thing, but going the opposite direction. There's your pineapple. It's that simple. That was too easy. What next? I know. Draw 2 large circles. And then 2 smaller circles inside. Next, 2 diagonal lines. For the final touch, draw a few simple straight lines. Voila! Sunglasses! What next? I know. A smile. Draw a curved line in the shape of a cheese puff. Then 3 lines for the teeth. Perfect! What else? Let's add some legs. Draw a line with a simple angle in the middle. Then add the feet. How about some arms? Draw the same type of line for the arms. To draw hands, draw whatever shape you would like. Some people draw a circle. I like to draw a heart. Peace, man. What else can we add? Draw a straight line above his feet, then a straight line below his feet. Connect the 2 lines with a C shape. Now draw a large circle in the front with a small circle inside. Then a large circle in the back with a small circle inside. Now add 2 curved lines to represent the back wheels. Add some motion marks. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Check out our summer pineapple. Now is my favorite part. Grab your black marker and start tracing. This makes your hard work more permanent. You did it! You're done! Totally radical. Don't forget to initial and date your picture for that personal touch. Give the ink time to dry, and then erase the pencil marks. Perfect! I love it! Great job, everyone! Summertime is here! Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment below. Keep smiling and stay awesome. Bye!